Hi guys, this is Divanshu and we have prepared this automation which basically takes a topic from you and prepares the content on it. So the basic process of this whole automation is I have written here is it takes the topic from your Google Sheet, it then scrapes the Google News, takes the 10 Google News in the past day, whatever news are appearing in the Google News, and then picks up the top 5 results from those results of Google News. It then summarizes each of them using OpenAI module, and then each summary is aggregated into one. So we get 5 summaries over here, and then there is a route which decides for which content writer this particular topic is being prepared for. This is the route. So it checks if it is the topic is given by Kajal or it is given by Preeti. So there are two writers who manages this whole process, and then the whatever writer is there, the route it follows, and then a draft is prepared in the WordPress. Whenever the draft is prepared, the link is updated over here in the draft link column, and whenever it is posted in the draft, the time is also given here. And in the very end, an email is sent to the particular people. So if it is for Kajal, the email will be sent to Kajal, and if it is for Preeti, the email will be sent to Preeti. So let's run this automation for once. Let's delete this and run this automation for this particular keyword, solar aata chakki yojana for rural women. Let's choose it from where to start because we want to start it from that particular keyword. Yeah. So whenever a writer writes a topic here, she has to pick like whoever is writing this, or for whom the article should be prepared. So I'll tell you why I have done this in my automation only. But first, let's run this automation. So let's choose it again from where to start. Okay, let's run this automation. I'll pause this video and I'll be back when this whole automation is successfully ran. So the automation has run successfully, and we can see that our sheet is also updated. Here is the link. So we'll open that link and see the quality of our article. As you can see, the writer here is Preeti, and it is posted on the right date. I mean, it is not posted, but it is in draft, but this is coming in the right way. So this is the content that ChatGPT has given us. Our system has given us. The Indian government launches the Solar Aata Chakki Yojana, providing free solar powered floor mills to rural women. So you can see the quality of article is very much improved over the time. So my content writing team has helped me to give the prompts in the ChatGPT in the OpenAI module so as to improve it over the time. You can also see that an email is also sent to me. This is the subject line of the email. In the bracket, there is always the updated topic, whatever topic you choose. And here is the content, the date, and again the content link. Okay, so I'll briefly explain how my whole automation works. Again, it takes a keyword from my Google Sheet. It keeps on watching new rows whenever a new row is added in this particular sheet. The automation runs. Then this is the HTTP module wherein we are using Scraping Dogs Google News API to fetch the top 10 Google News results. The news results are in the form of array, as you can see. So what we are using next is an iterator to bundle out each array item, and each array item then is given to our OpenAI module, which then runs and gives the summary for each article. So every time a URL is given to this GPT module, it is asked to create a summary for us. So you can see this is my system prompt. You are an area expert in solar news, renewable energy sector. You summarize content by reading the URLs given to you. and each summary you need to give in 5 points. Keep the summary limited to this. This is the user prompt I have given. Very simple is system prompt, just to ask for summaries from the articles. Then we aggregate all of the summaries into one. So you can see all the summaries are aggregated into one. These are the 5 summary for the first article. These are the next 5 pointers for the second article. These are for the third article. Also, I am taking the top 5 articles. Whenever the Google News gives us 10 article, we are taking the top 5 only. I think it is good enough to read the top 5 articles. No need to read every 10 article at every time you run the automation. And then over here it decides what route it has to follow. So if the content is written by Preeti, then this route is followed, and if it is written by Kajal, then this route is followed. How do we check this? We check this by checking this particular column of our Google Sheet, and then if it is Preeti, then this route will run. So yeah, it has run successfully for Preeti because our content, this we were writing for this content, and yes, Preeti was the writer for it. And why I have done this differentiation, because over here I am giving my OpenAI the writings of this particular writer, so as to make him understand how is the writing style of this particular writer. Then here is the system prompt. I'll show you. This is the system prompt I have given. I think I have given 4 system prompts to this particular OpenAI module. I'm using Open Router. You can use OpenAI also, and this particular module gives you access to all chat modules. So I'm using this. Therefore, it is easy for me to manage every AI module here, AI model here. So this is the system prompt I have given, and this is the user prompt. There are 3 other system prompts that I have given for various other things. I think this is where I have kept the content, and I have told that this is the content written by the writer and you have to follow his writing style. Over here I have explained the tone and style it needs to follow. This is again a system prompt. And in the last system prompt, I have given him that there is a tense rule that you need to always follow when writing the article. Make news feel fresh, urgent, all actions that actually happened before now. You have to write in simple past or present perfect tense, because it was writing it in continuous tense. So I forcefully asked him to do so. Yeah. So these are the examples I have given, so that way my model easily understand what I am trying to achieve from him. Okay, then the output is received in three uh, three data points, which is slug, title, and content. So slug is the title, the URL, the title is the title, content is what we need, and the content it gives in HTML format. So over here we are parsing the JSON. So we have slug, title, content, and we also have source links, which I'm taking from here only. And then a post is being created in the WordPress, and further this module gets the post link. The post link is then added to my Google Sheet, and finally an email is sent. So the email sent is to the particular writer. I have kept her email only, and a link is also sent to him in the body of the content. We are keeping all the article in the draft first, so that our writer can edit it and make it better and make it look like that it is written by human only. So a final check is needed, and therefore the article needs to be in draft only, and we cannot make it live directly. So therefore this way we are having human in the loop concept also, so that we are not giving the whole operation in the hands of AI, because AI can sometimes hallucinate and produce results which are not desired. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I will link to the blueprint in the description section, and Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.